Hi, my name is Arlen. I'm a student at JTech. Today I'm going to show you how to do a vacuum test on our 2002 Subaru Outback. What I'm going to do is disconnect our coil so we can read it while we're cranking it. Go ahead and crank. And as you can see, the needle moved a little bit, but it's still in the zero box, which pretty much it moved about 3. And now I'm going to connect this back in, and we're gonna crank it in idle. All right, and then idle is right at 21, which is a good reading. And we're gonna do a throttle snap, and see what it reads. Anything is supposed to read from 17 to 27, and we're gonna see where it reads at. Which it's reading at 25, which is a good reading. And my name is Arlen again. Thank you for watching.